How come I see my hand? One, two, three. Better. Okay. 1, 2, 3. That. 1, 2.
Ano?
Okay.
So ganit sa kaimuhang ko no? Bumok naman no? Kaos na yung bumok.
The Mount Ainslie Aviation Beacon was installed in 1929 to provide visual navigation assistance for aircraft. It is an essential visual aid for Canberra Airport, which is located in the Majura Valley to the east of Mount Ainslie.
Oh, careful. Wait, I pick one picture.
Not clear my tummy, eh?
Don't tell me. Tony.
Dali kayo siya nagkaingog, not my tummy, eh?